Yeah, with your roller, like roller of your reversing, you go the main menu and then you go setting, and you scroll down all the way to car setting, if you can see that car setting, and then again you scroll down all the way down, it says extra settings, and he asks you for a pin number. Pin number is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and then you just scroll down again, scroll down, down, reverse line roller, and you open that. And then once, because my reversing camera itself has a roller line, but I just create the second roller line in there. So this roller line on the top is the unit roller. If your camera doesn't have line, then the unit will adjust that line, give you that line, and it is adjustable. On the top right corner is just adjustable button, press that, and then move this roller whichever direction you like it, and adjust it the way you want it, and so you can adjust it as you wish. Thank you.